Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you guys how to make a newsletter sign up discount automation on Wix. For that, what you need to do is go to the login or sign up section on Wix.com and this dashboard is going to appear. Now, you need to go to the marketing section. Here you see there are so many options. I'm going to choose the option of coupons. When I choose here the coupons, it is going to show me the coupons that I have already activated. These are the coupon, or if you don't have any, just go to the new coupons. You can use the rupees discount. You can also use the percentage discount. Let's just go to the percent discount. Now, coupon code, you have to write any coupon code. Let's just say Art12 or Art12. It is not working, so let's just write here sale to 20, right? Now, how much of the discount do you want to give? Let's just say 10%, or on the specific ticket or the specific event, I'll say all the tickets or all the forms. Let's just choose all the forms. And now they're going to ask you that type the validity. Just if you click on don't set an end date, then you don't need to set a valid date. Now you're going to limit the total number of users for this coupon or limit to 1 use per customer. Or you can choose them according to your choice. Now, you see this one is activated. Here, this one is my new coupon. You can copy the code or you can simply delete it, deactivate, duplicate it, or promote it. Now, what I'm going to do is move to my home page, to my dashboard. Here, I need a specific site. Let's just say I'm going to create a design site. If you already have any, then this is definitely going to load one for you. But if you don't have one, then you are going to go to the create new site and create a site for you before adding the coupons. So I already have a site. What I'm going to do is, this is the site that is going to appear on my screen. Now go to your options of add apps. You're going to click here. You see there's option of app market or manage apps. I am going to search here. Let's just type here Wix for forms. You see this one. Here, there are so many options. I'm going to choose this one. This is actually Wix form. I am simply going to click in it, add it on my page. You can choose the page where you want to add it, but since this is a sample, I'm just simply going to click it. Now they're going to ask you that what do you want to add in your forms? Let's just say first name, last name, email. I want to add the phone number, birthday. These are all the things that the customers are going to add before they use the coupon code. They have to fill the complete form. Now, what I'm going to do is, this is how it's going to be. You can also delete whatever you want. You can also edit. You can simply go to preview this one. Now what I'm going to do is, this form is going to appear on my homepage. Go to home. Meanwhile, when it is appearing, you need to go to the homepage. You need to go to your automations. And from here, you are going to set up an automation. Let's just create the new automation by setting it up. Now, you need to search by the name, trigger, or the action. Choose one of your suggested automations or start from the scratch. So let me just write here forms so that I would only allow the people who fill the form to, if you don't have it, you're definitely going to set it up on your own. Let's just see. Visitors. Let's just start from the scratch because this is not available. What I want is not available. So just write here the trigger that who do you want to give the coupons to? So let's just say I am looking for the trigger. My trigger is mostly the visitors. For instance, I write here form submitted. So let's just choose the form submitted and click on it. This is basically my trigger. Now there's an option of plus. You're going to click on it, and it is going to give you the option of variables or delay or action or conditions. You can choose any of them. Let's just say action, that when are we going to notify the people that they have got the coupon? By sending a push notifications, you're going to add the receipt. Similarly, recipients, there is going to be a message. It is mostly for the site collaborators, or you can add the recipients. For instance, they are the owners or the co-admins. I'm just going to select both of them. Now you can make the changes according to what you want. I'm going to type a message here, which is going to pop up on their screen. Let's just say I'm writing here free, and free coupon or free 1 to 3. I'm going to type a message. Thank you for, thank you for submitting the form. This is how I am going to apply it. But before that, there's going to be a notification topic. Let me just click on this one, and just click on this notification topic, custom notification, and we are going to apply it. After that, you can end this, or you can add more options by clicking on more steps. You can delay it, you can put the condition, or you can move it to the variable one. If you want to send it through an email, you can do that too. I am going to skip the process and click on the end option. Now you have the option to click on the end and move to the save or activate it. I am going to save this one. Here, when I save it, this is how I'm going to exit this one because it has already been saved. Now, this is how you're going to create it. After you've saved it, you can simply activate it, or you can just skip the process. So this is how you are going to use the features of Wix to make a newsletter, sign up, discount automation on Wix.com. You can also give additional settings. And I hope you guys liked the video and understood the whole process. It was very easy and very simple.